Multi-command. A collection of commands to insert blocks and tools, to annotate your draw in an easy way. Run the command and a new dialog displays all blocks on your screen. All blocks and tools are shown by categories. Select the tabs on top, to display icons of all available blocks or commands. On the right scene name, an enlarged icon of selected block. Blocks are inserted in your drawing with scale set in Setup command. When you insert any block for the first time, command creates its layer automatically. All blocks are inserted on their own proper layer. Blocks categories are Furniture, Kitchen equipment, Sanitary fittings, Trees in plan, Trees in elevation, Cars in plan, Cars inside elevation, Cars front or back elevation, People, Symbols, Flowers, More flowers and trees, Draw and editing commands, Insert text and annotation. To insert a block, double-click on small or enlarged icon, or pick Insert, Draw button, and follow prompts. Cars block button opens multi-command to insert blocks directly from car category. Cars in plan view, Cars in front or rear view, Cars inside view. More block button opens multi-command to insert blocks directly from category. Sanitary fittings, Trees in plan, Furniture in plan, Kitchen fittings,